Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we are going to begin our 3D AutoCAD course together. Alright, in the 2D AutoCAD course, we created these 2D plans. We learned how to design them step by step and we completed the drawing. Now it's time to take those 2D plans and see how we can turn them into a 3D model. Keep in mind that when you are working in 3D, some parts of the design might need to change or evolve compared to the original 2D plan. That's completely normal, and in this course, we will also learn how to handle those changes effectively. So, let's get started and see how to begin the 3D modeling process. Before we jump into working on the plans, let's first get familiar with the 3D workspace in AutoCAD. Until now, we have been working in the 2D environment, something we have already discussed earlier in the course. To switch from 2D to 3D, we use this toolbar in the bottom right corner of the screen. It's called the Workspace switching menu. From here, we can choose the 3D modeling workspace. This will change the tool set and give us access to 3D commands and features. Another way to enter the 3D view is by holding down the Shift key on your keyboard while dragging your mouse with the scroll wheel pressed. As you do that, you will notice the cube in the top right corner. It's called the view cube, rotates, and the drawing space shifts into a 3D perspective. This means we are no longer working on a flat surface. We are now in full 3D space. One important thing to note is that many of the commands we learned in 2D AutoCAD still work in 3D. Commands just like line, offset, mirror, and many other drawing and editing tools function just the same. So don't worry, you don't have to relearn everything from scratch. The key is understanding how to apply these familiar commands within a 3D environment. So the first step is learning how to enter the 3D workspace, and we have just done that.